Hello everyone, myself Mahima. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to show this 4-strand round braid hairstyle, or you can say box braid. So let's start. First, make high ponytail like this. Then divide your hair into 4 sections. This one is the first, then second, third and fourth. Take these two middle pieces and cross it over each other. Then take left side of the strand and cross over to the middle and put this strand aside. Then take right side of the strand, cross it over the middle and put this strand aside. Again take the right strand, cross it over the middle and put this strand aside. Take right strand of hair, cross it over the middle and put this strand aside. Repeat these steps until you reach end of your hair. I messed with the step, so I decided to end up and tie it with elastic. Hide this elastic by wrapping around the hair. And that's it. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.